Hello everyone, welcome to Sister Jang's Wellness channel. Today, let's learn about the 14th solar term in the traditional Chinese calendar, End of Heat. End of Heat usually arrives between August 22nd and August 24th each year. The Chinese character Chu means to stop or to retreat. Therefore, End of Heat marks the gradual end of the intense summer heat. The hottest days of summer begin to fade, temperatures slowly decrease, and the atmosphere of autumn becomes more noticeable. However, daytime temperatures may still rise temporarily. This short period of lingering heat is often called the autumn tiger. As the temperature difference between day and night increases, it becomes especially important to adjust our lifestyle according to the changing season. The three phases of End of Heat. First phase, eagles begin hunting birds. During this period, eagles become more active in hunting. Ancient people observed that eagles often arrange their prey on the ground before eating, as if performing a ritual offering. Second phase, heaven and earth become solemn. As the summer heat retreats, nature gradually shifts from flourishing growth to inward restraint. Leaves begin to turn yellow, plants slowly wither, and the landscape takes on the quiet and solemn feeling of early autumn. Third phase, grains ripen. The word grain refers to crops such as rice, millet, and sorghum. Ripen means maturity. This is the beginning of the autumn harvest and symbolizes an abundant harvest of the 5 grains. Traditional customs of End of Heat. First, eating duck dishes. Duck is especially tender and flavorful during this season. In traditional Chinese medicine, duck is considered cooling in nature and is believed to nourish yin, strengthen the stomach, and moisten dryness. Popular dishes include ginger duck or duck soup, salted duck, roast duck. Second, the fishing season begins for coastal communities. End of Heat marks an important harvest season. The sea remains warm enough for fish, shrimp, and shellfish to gather near the shore. Fishing boats set sail in large numbers, symbolizing prosperity and hope. Third, floating river lanterns. End of Heat often occurs around the Ghost Festival period. People place lighted lanterns on rivers and lakes, allowing them to drift with the water. This custom began as a prayer for safety and later became a way to remember ancestors and offer blessings to loved ones. Wellness tips for End of Heat. End of Heat is not completely cool. The heat still lingers at noon. Although the intense heat is fading, autumn dryness begins to appear. The key wellness principles are: first, nourish the lungs and prevent dryness. Autumn dryness may cause dry mouth, dry throat, dry skin, cough with little phlegm. Recommended foods include Chinese yam, white radish, white fungus, lily bulbs, lotus root, pears. These foods help nourish yin, moisten the lungs, and promote body fluids. Second, relieve autumn fatigue. As sweating decreases, the body enters a period of adjustment, and many people experience autumn fatigue with symptoms such as tiredness, sleepiness, and poor concentration. Helpful foods include tomatoes, eggplants, potatoes, grapes, pears. Third, adjust your daily routine. It is recommended to sleep earlier and wake up earlier in harmony with the season. Avoid staying up late, and if you feel tired, take a 20 to 30 minute nap around midday to restore energy. Fourth, choose gentle exercise. Exercise should be moderate, with only light sweating. Recommended activities include brisk walking, light jogging, tai chi, Badawanjin, yoga. Avoid intense workouts that cause excessive sweating and deplete body fluids. End of Heat is an important transition from summer to autumn. By nourishing the lungs, preventing dryness, maintaining a regular schedule, exercising moderately, and relieving autumn fatigue, we can help the body move smoothly into the new season. I hope today's wellness sharing on End of Heat helps you adapt to the seasonal changes and maintain both physical and mental well-being. Thank you for following Sister Jang's Wellness channel. Wishing you good health, happiness, peace, and smooth transitions through the changing seasons. See you in the next solar term. White dew.